Every success story started with small things. For Nature's Own Factory, these things are years of true friendship, one bold idea, and one unique tea. From the first cup of buckwheat tea in our own kitchen, to tons of tea in a year. From the first small orders to the shelves of the most famous retailers. The foundation stones of Nature's Own Factory are natural premium products with unique taste. A love for customers and a precise attention to quality. Endless ideas, far-reaching plans, and great ambitions drive us forward. We've achieved a lot in just 2 years, and we are not going to stop. Nature has already created all the healthiest things. Our mission is to give it to you.